If you're wondering what to do with all this sourdough bread you're making, well, I mean, I'm sure you can come up with lots of ideas, but one of my favorites is a tuna melt sandwich. I'm not going to go into how to make the tuna salad. You can figure that out. Maybe someday I'll do a video on that. Suffice it to say that this is my sweetie's secret tuna recipe, which will remain a secret. We're keeping it in the family. We're just going to slice some of this sourdough, this very first round that I made, and pop it in the toaster. You can see that's a pretty sturdy bread. That holds up well. Popping it in our toaster. We'll give that a few minutes. So now that we got our first pieces of toast out, I'm going to take some of this tuna, spread it around. And we'll give those two other slices a little time to toast. Sounds like our other toast popped. Oh yeah, looking good. You might be wondering why I'm toasting the bread if I'm making a tuna melt, because I do plan on popping it in the oven. When I put it in the oven, I'm going to put it on the broiler, which is really just going to heat the top and melt the cheese. I want that nice, delicious, sturdy sourdough to have that little crunch that you get when you pop it in a toaster. Not just the crust, but the whole thing. That's what that's about. I'm not letting any of this good stuff go to waste here. This is just too delicious. Whenever my sweetie makes anything, I mean, I'm a hack in the kitchen. I make it look good sometimes, but I really am just an amateur. She has the true skills in the family. She likes cheddar. Uh-oh, that means we're cooking something good. Let's just open a window here, get some cross breeze, and we'll turn on the fan. Hopefully that smoke detector will stop soon, and yeah. That's how we know we're making something delicious in our house. The smoke detector is real close to the kitchen. Now, on mine, I'm going with goat cheese. And I got just a little bit left, probably enough to do at least one of these. And I might get creative on the other one. For me, my stomach just far prefers me to eat goat cheese. I will still eat cheese, I'm not afraid, but it's just better for me if I eat at least some cheese that's not from a cow, or maybe even avoid cheese and butter and all that stuff altogether. But you know what? That takes all the fun out of it, you know? Butter, cheese, fats and milks, oh my gosh, it just makes everything taste so, so good. Cheese makes everything taste better. We're crumbling some goat cheese on this one, and it looks like we had just enough for that one. I'm gonna stick my head in the fridge and see what we have that I can pop on my other one there. This is some cheddar, but this is special for me. This is goat milk cheddar. So, and I tend to like pepper. So I'm going to get some pepper on this one and just see how much it tastes different from the other one. I'm going to leave the other one the way it is. I've already got the broiler fired up. This pan is already heated up. So you can see that's what's going in the oven. I'll bring you over and let you see. That's in on the top rack of our oven. You can see down below we got a pizza stone. That's going to get used soon. One thing you got to be careful about with broilers is that things happen real fast. So you can see the crust is just a little crispy, crunchy. Flavor crystals, I call them. That's going to taste absolutely delicious. We're just gonna finish it up. Even though it was salty, we like a little bit of salt on our tomatoes, even though we got plenty of salt in that tuna fish. I tend to rinse my tuna and then I put salt back in. That's how I'm gonna serve that to my sweetie. That's what's happening.